Now we are going to go over rooftop equipment. This could be an air conditioner that is supported on top of the roof. First, select the structure type, and then select rooftop equipment. Then we will select the MWFRS analysis, and we see that the only valid method is Chapter 29, and so we select that method. Next, we click the Components and Cladding Method button, and there isn't a CNC method for rooftop equipment, and so we select None. First, we specify the information about the building itself, which is the mean roof height, building length, and building width. Please note that for the purposes of this analysis, we treat the building as if it is a flat roof building. If it's not a flat roof, then just specify the appropriate mean roof height for the type of roof on your building. Now we enter the height of the equipment from the top of the roof to the top of the equipment. Next, enter the length of the equipment along the length of the roof ridge. Then we enter the width of the equipment in the direction that is normal or perpendicular to the ridge. Now we can click Perform Analysis and see the wind calculations for the wind direction normal to the ridge as well as parallel to the ridge.